Hello, I'm Teddy, and today we have these dinosaur eggs from the Jurassic Park. There's dinosaurs inside of these eggs. Some pretty cool dinosaurs and also some other stuff inside of these eggs, which you can see later. Yeah, we're gonna try and find, we're gonna open it up. And this is a funny little egg, so we're gonna go. Wait, what is this? This is some stickers, okay, this is, I don't know what this is. But okay, oh, that's like some weird, there's some, this is the amber gel. There's a funny old dinosaur on the back. You see a bit of a dinosaur, and there's some slime. It says this is not food, it is not edible. So everybody here, it's not edible. You cannot eat it. Then you can kind of see a dinosaur in there. There's also a little piece of, there's also some sand here. Let's just see what's in here. I want to know. Probably, it says the thing, just this thing. Let's just go for the sand because that will be less messy. Okay, we got some, ooh. Oh, I can see some, and I can see a little, I don't know what that is, but seems to be kind of interesting. Let's see what's in the sand. Oh. Let's probably do this above here. Ooh. Oh, this is like fossils where there's parts of a dinosaur in each. Oh, that's how. Okay, that's really interesting. Is it actual amber gel? I don't know. Actually, I feel like it's gonna be really. Oh. Oh. Tail out. Oh. Okay, this seems like actual amber gel, but oh, look at it! Like makes it's like the form of the, because it was in there. It kind of makes like the form of the thing. That's so cool. Oh, that's cool. It makes like the form of the tail. Let's see what's in here. This is slime, hopefully. Okay, we got, oh, this is supposed to be water. This is gonna be so, like, it's gonna be like the actual pieces of the dinosaur. It's gonna be, you need to like clean all of the stuff. Okay, yeah, that's why I did slime last, cause. So you have the Pyroraptor. It's a raptor that's pyro. So it goes like a roar. It goes like. And then in the sand, it goes boing boing. Why does it have to come in this? In a bag. Wait. Okay. How do I open this? Oh. What is this? An atrociraptor. That's interesting. Oh, and here's the head. And then let's just put you together. It's good that the dinosaur isn't inside of the slime. That's good. It's good. That's good. I don't have to clean it. How does a dinosaur become a ghost? Just like, yeah, like, how does it? Oh, it's funny. Atrociraptor. Oh, yeah. There's. Okay. I'm gonna try and make this as. Oh. Okay, okay, now it's gonna be sticky. I don't like sticky. Okay. How do you? Okay, I understand now. I feel like this slime is not as sticky as the one that's in here. It's not as sticky, I feel like, but it's still pretty sticky. Like it's really, like it's not as messy as the other one, because the other one, you have to, it like literally goes into pieces and you have to, yeah, this is I feel like is fun, more fun to play with because it doesn't like go into pieces and create a mess, but more like jelly. No, it's like a helicopter and picks him up. There are lots of different dinosaurs that are here. So there are also some exclusives, being the Amber Pyroraptor and this guy right here, which is an exclusive. Little guy is an exclusive. So let's just do this one really quickly. Let's just boom. No hesitation. I want to see what's inside. Let's go. I'm gonna open you up. We got this, and we got the funny slime. I got the same. I got the. Whenever you open up eggs like this, or like any type, like these types of toys, when it's like random chance, you will 100% get at least one duplicate of one item. So you know, it's not that bad. Also, why is your leg weird? This guy stands weird. No, I think he might be different. Because he stands weird. He stands differently. He stands weirdly. The animals, or like the dinosaurs, they have like different positions that you can... There's different positions of a single dinosaur. I didn't know that there's different positions of a dinosaur. Because this one, he stands like, look, it's weird, it's different positions. So also the slime is slowly falling. I need it. So let's just speed run another one. Okay, maybe not speed run, but like, you know what I'm trying to say. Let's just quickly open up another one so we could get something else other than the Pterosaurus. If I get it one more time, I'm just gonna be mad. No, let's just. Okay, so we got the slime. Oh, a Mosasaurus, a Mosasaurus, I mean, which is a aquatic dinosaur. I don't know where I know this dinosaur from, but I do. This is aquatic creature. Under the sea. Oh! Under the sea, like a wee dinosaur. Grr. It's a dino. He's in the water, the very slimy water. Roar. Wow. 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 I don't know. So yeah, we have all of the dinosaurs here. We have the Mosasaurus. We have this guy, the double guy. We have the ghost dinosaur. We have the dinosaur with the mechanical leg, and we have the Pyrosaurus. So very interesting, like set of dinosaurs. I'm gonna go with the Mosasaurus.